Introducing the 6700U series point-of-sale bench scale by Brecknell. After unboxing the scale and before startup, remove the shipping screw located on the bottom of the scale. Do not remove the screw next to it. To turn on the scale, press the on key. The system will go through its startup, and when the display reads 0.000, an item can be put on the scale. To turn off the scale, press and hold the off key. To switch between units of pounds, ounces, grams, and kilograms, press the unit key. To hold an item's weight on the scale, press and hold the hold key, and then remove the item from the scale, and its weight will be shown on the display. To clear a hold, press the hold key again. To tare a weight, first place an item to be tared on the scale, then press the tare key. To clear a tared weight, press the tare key again. To activate Touchless Tare, first go into the configuration menu by pressing and holding the hold key and the on-off key at the same time. Then use the unit key to scroll down to the user menu. Press Tare to select the user menu. Then use the unit key again to scroll through the user menu until the other menu is shown on the display. Press Tare to go into the other menu and scroll down until phd.rg is shown. This stands for Photo Eye Tare Sensitivity. The default setting for sensitivity is 0, which means that remote tare is disabled, and the sensitivity goes up to 8, each number representing the amount of inches away the sensor will pick up movement. When set to 1, the sensor will tare a weight when movement is detected 1 inch away. When set to 8, the sensor will tare a weight when movement is detected 8 inches away, which is the maximum distance the sensor will pick up. To change the ECR and NCI protocols, first go into the configuration menu by pressing and holding the hold and on-off keys at the same time. Once there, use the unit key to scroll down to the user menu and press Tare to enter the menu. Then scroll down until the COM2 menu is shown. Press Tare to enter the menu and scroll down until the layout menu is shown. Press Tare and SCP-02 will be shown on the display. This is the ECR protocol. To change to the NCI protocol, scroll down until SCP-01 is shown. Press Tare to change the settings. To exit the menu, press the on-off key to go back through the menus until exit is shown. Then press the on-off key again and the system will restart. To test communication, first make sure all the settings are correct for communication. To do this, go into the configuration menu and scroll down to the user menu. Then click Tare to enter the user menu. Next, scroll down until the COM2 menu is shown. Enter the menu to go to the baud rate menu. Enter this menu and set it to the default 9600. Then go to the bit format menu and set it to the default of 7E1. Then go to the layout menu and set it at the default of SCP-02. Exit the menus by pressing the on-off key until the system restarts, then place an item to be weighed on the scale. The next step to testing communication is by downloading a hyperterminal program. Before doing this, connect an RS-232 cable from the scale to the computer. Go to a search engine and search for hyperterminal, and select the search for the computer's operating system. Next, scroll down until a site called Hillgrave is shown. Enter that site and click Download Hyperterminal Free Trial. Download it, then install it. Once the program is downloaded and installed, open it. Click No on the register box, and then click No on the default program box. Once into the program, give the connection a name. Then select the correct COM port that the RS-232 cable is connected to on the computer. Next, make sure that the COM properties match up with the communication settings from the scale. Set the parity to even, stop bits to 1, and flow control to none. Then, once a blinking cursor is shown on the program, press Shift plus W and Enter to display the weight of an item on the program. If the scale is not able to communicate, recheck the configuration settings on the scale. If the scale is still not communicating, unhook the RS-232 cable from the scale. And using a screwdriver, make a short between pins 2 and 3 on the 5-pin row. Pin 3 is the middle pin, and pin 2 is the pin on the left of pin 3. While making the short and having the hyperterminal program open, press any numeral or letter on the keyboard. If the key doesn't show on the program, either the cable is bad or the COM port on the computer is bad, making a bad connection. For further assistance, contact Brecknell Tech Support. Thank you from Brecknell.